In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on AvaTrade. So this can actually only be achieved via one way, and let me actually show you how. Now, there's no button you can actually press on here, no setting you can do this in, but if I go to the chat down here and click on chat with us, see, I asked this chat over here, how can I change leverage on my account? And it says that the leverage is automatically set to a specific point. So over here, as you can see the leverages for different things, for cryptocurrencies, for major currency pairs, etc. And if you want to actually change your leverage, you will have to basically apply for a professional trader account if you actually are eligible. And if you're eligible, you can check on this website. I'm going to show you what you have to do. So to become an Ava professional, you have to actually have sufficient trading activity in the last 12 months. You have to have relevant experience in the financial services sector. And then here it says you have to have a financial instrument portfolio of over €500,000, okay? That's including cash saving and financial instruments. Now, of course, if you meet this criteria, you can go ahead and actually apply via their support, okay? So if you don't know how to get here, just ask their chat over here and it's going to help you out. So that's pretty much how you can do it. That's the only way. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.